Ma'am, we love lavender. Now let's get into it. I didn't include my skin routine, but you always want to make sure that your skin is clean and moisturized. Start with a white base. I recommend the Jumbo White Eyeliner by NYX or LA Girl's White Concealer. You're going to use a round, flat concealer brush and pat that on 3/4 of your eyelid, starting at the inner corner. Now you want to grab your Ma'aM Colorful palette. I use the shimmery purple in the fourth row. Using a soft eyeshadow brush, gently pat that color onto the first half of the white base. Next, use the second pink color in the third row. Take a different soft eyeshadow brush and gently pat that onto the second half of the white base. Now grab your Ma'aM Nude palette. I use the chocolate brown color in the second row. Using a fluffy dome brush, sweep that onto the outer corner of your eye. Going back with the Ma'aM Nude palette, I'm using the dark chocolate brown color in the fourth row. Now using a flat square brush, you're going to sweep that into your lower lash line, going halfway from the outer corner to the middle. Hop back into the Ma'aM Colorful palette. I'm using the shimmery purple in the fourth row with a tiny fluffy brush. We're going to sweep that color into your lower lash line from the inner corner to the middle. Brush the blush on. Y'all, I broke my Wet n Wild highlighter, but that's not why we're here. Add that to the tip of your nose and your chin. Pop on some mascara, lip liner, and lipstick of your choice. I chose to do a nude lip combo because the eyes are the main attraction, ma'am. That's why we're all gathered here today. But you can do what you want. I popped my eyelashes on, and I did add a link in the description box on how to do that. And that's it. We did it, Joe. I didn't film the setting spray, but that's the last step. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you. Love you to life, and I'll see you next week.